Alright, so in this tutorial, I'm gonna show you how you can add Instagram highlights without posting on story. So first up, what you need to do is just simply go to Instagram. And here, as you can see, in this account, I've already posted a story, right? So you necessarily don't have to post a story or show it to anyone. I'll just show you a quick trick. What you need to do is just simply press on these three horizontal lines on the corner. And right over here, first up, you have to make sure that your account is private. Once it's private, now you need to go to your story settings right over here. You can find it in your story right over here. If you press on story and press on more, and right over here you'll see a few options. Just go ahead and press on story settings, and here, as you can see, it says hide people from. So if you got any followers, you can just hide it from there. After that, what you can do is just simply press on archive, and there you go. Now your story has been archived. And if you archive it the moment you upload it, there, like, in that second, nobody could able to be see it. So what you have to do is just simply go to your profile and then press on these three horizontal lines again, and right over here you'll see archive. Just go ahead and press on archive, and here, as you can see, this is our story archive. So if I press on it, right over here I'll be able to see highlight. So I'm just gonna press on highlight, and I'm just gonna create this highlight right over here like this, and press on add. And yeah, here we go. Now let's just check on our profile if our highlight is there. So yeah, here we go. This is our highlight, and yeah, this is as simple as it gets. So I hope